What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Kayla, and this is the Soul Trip. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I hope you decide to stay and be a part of my soul tribe. Come on. Anyways, shorts. YouTube shorts. What are they? What is this all about? Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. Well, like any and everything, change is happening. YouTube is making itself more competitive and trying to grow with the changing times. So they have implemented something called shorts. And shorts are essentially 60-minute vertical videos that are designed to compete with TikTok, of course. So maybe you've already seen these shorts, or maybe you haven't. But if you go to the home page on your YouTube app and you scroll a little bit, you will see shorts, which are those vertical 60-minute or less videos, and you can just scroll and watch them. So this is something that is really new, but I heard on Clubhouse, and that's why I'm making this video, that this is something that is great for growing your channel, especially if you are a small YouTube channel. Y'all, I'm about to be testing this out, so don't be alarmed if you see me all this week posting these 1-minute vertical videos. Don't be like, what the heck is going on? Just know I'm just trying to grow my channel, so that's what that is. And also, with the help of you all, I'm able to grow this channel as well by you giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing, and sharing this channel. All of that is free. It doesn't cost you anything, and it's much appreciated. If you want more information about YouTube Shorts, I'll leave something below. I'm not about to go into the technicalities or all of that, because that's not what this channel is about. But also, if you're another small YouTuber, I definitely recommend that you check out Shorts, see what it's about, get in while it's new. And yeah, just try to take advantage of it. Hopefully we see a lot of growth on our channel from just trying it out. So thanks so much, guys. Stay tuned for the next. Peace and love.